Hi everyone and welcome back in this tutorial video. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix login error which might occur in your Snapchat. Now you have to remember that none of the apps that we use is totally error-free. These errors may occur because of various reasons like network issues, app cache issues, device issues, and so many other reasons. But don't worry, in this video you are going to learn how to fix your login error in your Snapchat. The first way is by going to your app store and then searching for Snapchat in your search bar. And now you can see that in this example there is an open option, which means that Snapchat in this device is totally updated. If in your device Snapchat is not updated, you're going to see update option instead of open option. All you have to do now is update your Snapchat and try logging in again. Now, if this doesn't solve your issue, what you will have to do is go to your settings in your iPhone, scroll down, tap on General, scroll down and tap on iPhone Storage. Wait for it to load. Now scroll down and search for Snapchat and then tap on it. There is an option that says offload app. You will have to tap on offload app and wait for it to be offloaded. And now you will have to tap on reinstall app. And as you can see, Snapchat has been reinstalled. This might solve your login error issue, so go ahead and try logging in again. If this doesn't solve your issue, why don't you restart your phone and then try logging in again? One of these ways will definitely fix your login error issue in your Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.